Huawei Map Kit lets your app provide powerful and convenient map services, like personalized map presentations and interactions. Map Kit enhances your app by adding in a standard map, where you can point out places to your users. Users can interact with the map with things like selecting, zooming, swiping, rotating, and switching between 2D and 3D. If your app relies heavily on the map function, MapKit can help you quickly and cost-effectively turn map services into a strength. MapKit supports multiple languages so that users around the world can enjoy personalized map services. Your app can display additional layers such as user location, live traffic updates, and 3D buildings based on the standard map. MapKit also has extensive customization capabilities, so you can customize the map style, markers, polyline, polygon, circle. You can also use MapKit's routing capabilities to plan walking, cycling, public transit, and driving routes for your users. Huawei Map Kit provides excellent, diverse map rendering effects and interactive functions to improve your app's map service experience.
I hope everyone enjoyed the video and gave everyone an idea of what the Huawei Map Kit is about. So let's get into how I integrated the Map Kit into the application. The Map Kit is a set of interfaces for map development in Android, and the map data covers most countries outside of China, and as stated in the video, it supports multiple languages. The Map Kit integration can be broken down into 3 steps. Step 1, configuring the project with MapKit dependencies. Step 2, applying the required permissions and adding the map view to your layout. Step 3, developing a map function. So let's start with step 1, having to configure the project with MapKit dependencies. Below is the MapKit SDK dependency syntax to be added in the app level build Gradle. In step 2, you need to apply the required permissions and the map view to the layout. And the permissions required for the Huawei map to be displayed on the app are the internet and the access network state permissions. These permissions are to be added in your manifest file. After adding the required permissions in your manifest file, we move on to adding the map view to one of your XML layouts. Below is an extract of the attributes that can be contained within your map view. The last step of the map view, the MapKit integration, is step 3, which is developing a map function. When developing the map function, the configurations to be added for calling the map view to the activity are as follows. Within your onCreate function, get the map view instance declared in your XML layout. Then assign the saved instance state bundle to the map view. Secondly, you need to implement a function called the onMapReady function. This function is called when the Huawei map is loaded and ready to be used within your application. The importance of this function is to retrieve the Huawei map that will be displayed on the application. So next, I'd like to discuss the lifecycle methods of the map view. These lifecycle methods of the map view will come into play depending on the state of the activity containing the map view. What then follows are the extra features that can be added to your application, which will be contained in your Java activity. These features are having to move the camera to a specified location on the Huawei map by using the camera position class, as well as adding a marker to the map to represent a specific location by the use of the marker class.